Dear students, today let us discuss about kinematics graphs. As all of you know, the variation between two physical quantities you can identify by using equations, and also you can study that characters by considering graphs. So one physical quantity can be considered along x-axis, another quantity along y-axis. Now see the first graph. In the case of that display distance versus time, the distance values that can be considered along y-axis, time values can be considered along x-axis, and in the case of that first graph, it is a straight line parallel to the time axis. Here, if you want to calculate slope, that slope gives that speed. Slope of that distance versus time graph is nothing but speed. In the case of first one, slope is equal to 0 because angle equal to 0, slope that is equal to 0. Hence, I can say 0 speed. Now, consider that second graph. If you observe that second graph, it is a straight line passing through origin. That means the theta value that is same, angle is same, hence slope value is same. Hence I can say here that speed that is nothing but I can consider uniform speed. Let us consider about that graph number 3. If you observe that is speeding up, especially here in the case if you want to consider slope, draw a tangent at a particular point. Okay, in the case of that, you can consider another point, you can draw another tangent by observing these two. For example, theta 1 and theta 2. If theta 2 is greater than theta 1, that speed 2 that is greater than speed 1. Hence, I can say that is nothing but graph is nothing but speeding up. Now, in the case, the next graph, this is nothing but speeding down. Here also that process that is same. That means draw a tangent at a point. Once again, you can consider that slope. You can consider slope values at two different points. From that, it is very clear that is speeding down. It is a straight line parallel to y-axis. It is a straight line parallel to, I can say, distance axis. So this is nothing but impossible case. Hence I mentioned that. Why that is impossible? The value of tan, if you want to consider tan 90, that is nothing but infinity. Tan 90 that is nothing but infinity. Now consider the next one. So that distance value decreases with increase of time. Here this is just like a rectangular hyperbola. This is also not possible. The distance value decreases with increase of time means this case is also not possible. This is also impossible. Just observe that graph. At a particular time, it possesses two different distances. Hence, this is not possible. In this manner, we can consider different variations, distance versus time, and we are able to calculate that slope and corresponding speed and that characteristics. Okay.